people, welcome back to my channel. I am my Shadow Beats and your Pallavi. So today I am back with another video and guess what? Today we are traveling in a bus. Yes, this is a bus. London की सारी buses double decker होती हैं. So I am sitting at the top floor and this is the top floor view. And also today is a bright sunny day, a very good day. And guess what? Where are we going? So guys, today is Sunday and I am going to Columbia Road Flower Market. So एक flower market लगता है यहाँ लंदन में. And look at this sun first. ये धूप देखो यार, आज कितनी amazing धूप निकली है. मतलब though it's 3 degrees but it's very sunny and I just love it. But guys, before we start this video, there's one important thing जो आप लोगों को करना है. You guys have to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. So please subscribe and also follow me on Instagram, that is my Shadow Beats. And now let's go. Hello sunshine. Look at this sun यार, धूप बहुत ज़्यादा तेज है. But सर्दियों में धूप का अलग ही मज़ा है. मतलब I just love sun. ये देखो कितना ब्राइट है आज यार. Today's day is super bright. So guys, now I have reached my destination. Queens Bridge Road bus stop आने वाली है. And as I said, I am at the top floor. I was at the top floor. अब मैं नीचे जा रही हूँ. So now I have come down और मेरा स्टेशन आ गया है. डिफरेंट एंड मैं यहाँ पे घर देखने आई थी. आई केम टू दिस एरिया, मतलब शॉर्टेज एंड हैकनी, बट दैट टाइम आई कुडंट फाइंड एनीथिंग. बट आई रियली लाइक दिस एरिया एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम इफ आई लुक आउट फॉर एनी अदर एरिया फॉर माई होम आई विल डेफिनेटली कंसिडर शॉर्टेज. एंड लुक एट दिस ट्री, दिस इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. Oh my god, this is really pretty. Ooh. In this area you can see a lot of graffiti. And we have reached the market. We can see people coming out with a lot of flowers. Stones and plasters. Okay, they also have amazing paintings here. Now let's go towards the flower market. Oh, we are finally here. Oh my god, I am going to shop a lot. Guys, we are finally here. This is Columbia Road Flower Market and this only opens on Sunday, that too between 8 to 2 p.m. Yeah. So it's very cheap here in this market. इसलिए लोग यहाँ आते हैं खरीदने. You can see 4 each and if you take 3 of them it's 10 pounds, which is very expensive outside. Just look at these cactus. मतलब बहुत सारी varieties मिलेगी. You will get everything here and the prices are pretty decent here. And if you do bulk shopping, I'm sure आपको यहाँ पे बहुत lavender. So this is one bunch. You buy this one bunch just for 6 pounds and 2 is for 10 pounds. I too love these dried flowers and stems and they are so good for decoration. So I am definitely going to buy these. And look at these are not that highly priced. I mean decent price if I compare it with the supermarket. और हाइपर मार्केट के प्राइस से एंड दे लुक सो प्रिटी एक्चुअली। यार यही मुझे चाहिए था एंड
This is cute. Will this fit in our flat? The whole thing?
this is olive tree for 20 pounds. So this market is really cheap if you want to get plants or flowers, and you get every variety here. And I am like totally fascinated क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे भी plants और flowers बहुत पसंद है. I don't know, I'll end up shopping a lot, but I'm like it's too fascinating, everything here. You have lemon trees also there, 45 pounds में. You have oranges also there. Oh, look at this cute little plant. It is an orange plant. कितना cute लग रहा है ना? Very pretty यार. Again, this is something which I have seen a lot and I really want them. These brown and white cotton balls. This is of flowers. This is fucking cheap. One bunch lilies. I think it has 7 to 8 stands. Only 10 pounds.
Jumbo lilies.
So this is Dutch tulips. Dutch मतलब जो एम्स्टर्डम और नीदरलैंड्स में जो लोग रहते हैं उनको डच बोलते हैं. एंड वहाँ पे ये ज़्यादा होती है, मतलब इसकी फार्मिंग. सो एंड दे आर प्रीटी डिसेंट. ओके है, 6 पाउंड के एक बंच मिल रहे हैं. एंड वेराइटीज़ देखो गाइस, ओ माय गॉड. आपने अगर सिलसिला का वो गाना देखा होगा, देखा एक ख्वाब तो है सिलसिले हुए, वो इन्हीं ट्यूलिप्स के खेतों में ही वो गाना शूट हुआ है. सो दीज आर दोज ट्यूलिप्स.
Hi.
How much are these for?
This one?
Yeah, 20 pounds.
These ones are £20 large monsteras.
Oh. So these are indoor plants or outdoor plants?
All of it's indoor, but they can go out. He was like trying to be all like.
They can go outdoors.
But this is an indoor.
Indoor plant. Okay. So primrose. This is primrose. Okay. 6 for 5 pounds.
3 fresh.
They are also selling the roses, the bush and climbing. You can take them home, and they have daffodils also.
6 for 5.
Ah, you're right there.
So pretty. Oh, we have also.
Oh, Oxytalis. No. Is it the wrong time of year for Oxytalis?
One size £35 then instead of 45.
Lemon. Lovely and amazing flowers guys. मतलब कितनी varieties ले लो आप. Tulip, orchid, roses, button roses, everything. I mean you get everything here man, and they are so pretty. And I tell you, यहाँ पे 1 roses bunch you will get for 7.50 pounds, which usually अगर आप कोई सुपर मार्केट में जाओगे तो वहाँ पे थोड़े एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं, like 12-15 pounds होते हैं, और ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. There are flowers which I have not even heard about. मतलब ना मैंने कभी देखा है ना सुना है. And they are so pretty man. So pretty. Look at these white small, I don't know what JYP are. They are so cute. मतलब you can always club it with rose and it looks so pretty. It makes a very nice bouquet ना. एंड रोजेस तो मेरा ऑल टाइम फेवरेट है. और यहाँ पे इतनी वैरायटी है गाइस, मतलब सुपर नाइस वैरायटी. मैं तो इंस्टाग्राम पे रील्स भी बना लेती हूँ. So this is a bouquet which is 40 pounds. I have gone crazy now guys. मतलब देता ना पागल हो जाना, मतलब इतनी varieties और मुझे flowers तो बहुत पसंद है. And I have literally gone crazy. I just want to buy all of them, but of course I can't. I can't. Oh, but बहुत अच्छे हैं यार. Everything is so pretty. कितना बड़ा मार्केट है यार.
750 or 3 for 20 in the centre now. Cassie's team of cardboard do. Only top quality gear sold here, nothing moody. 750 a month, Jory.
£8 your snake plant.
Pineapple Lucina. Okay.
So the official closing time of this market is 2 p.m. It's 8 to 2, but now it's already 2 p.m. and they haven't closed it yet. But so the pro and the benefit of coming late here is that one, you will get stocks at very less price. So they are actually reducing prices. मतलब अब जैसे मार्केट बंद होने वाला है, एनी विच वे दे आर टेकिंग दिस होम. सो अब ये सेल पे दे रहे हैं, मतलब कम कम. और अगर आप बहुत सुबह आओगे लाइक 8-9 में, तो आई एम श्योर ये बहुत महंगा देंगे. एंड लुक एट दीज ऑर्किड्स. ये मुझे ना घर पे रखने का बड़ा मन था, और एक तो ये मैं पक्का लेके जाऊंगी ऑर्किड.
Can you do 150? Yeah.
Per favore, scegliete le stringhe.
Una Casarusa.
Ora
Oh, I like the shade there. Maybe get that into a white one or a greeny. That with that green one.
Look at this thistle stems. 3 stems for £6 and they are so pretty. I have seen a lot of people buying them. And guys, one more thing I wanted to share. So जहाँ से मैंने entry करी थी, there the same items were a bit pricey. मतलब £2, £1, £1.5 ज़्यादा. एंड अगर जैसे मैं इधर मूव करते जा रही थी ना, तो इस साइड पे मुझे रेट्स थोड़े कम दिख रहे हैं. मतलब मान लो जैसे कि जो मुझे इधर 7 का दिख रहा था, यहाँ पे 5.5 या 6 का दिख रहा है. So these are all dried flowers, dried stems, dried bushes, all for decoratives, and few are scented as well. So and very pretty, colored भी है, मतलब leaves colored भी है, जैसे कि red, oranges kind of. and यहाँ पे है fresh lavender का पूरा stack.
Yeah, I've heard it. Oh, sorry.
Я пока только Монстера. Я Монстера реально хватает помещения. Она просто...
No, c'è lei la forma perché questo è un bellissimo regalo, proprio bello. Cioè,
So this is the end of the market. Now I am going to shop something. अब वो क्या शॉपिंग करी है वो मैं आपको शॉप करने के बाद दिखाऊंगी क्योंकि I cannot shoot and shop simultaneously. So let me first shop. Guys, I am finally done with my shopping. It's 2:30 and the shops are getting almost closed. 2 PM is the time, but I think they are stretching till 3. But I am very happy with my shopping. So these are the 3 bunches which I took for 20 pounds. 1, 2 and these are 3. This is lavender, dried lavender. We have this one. So this one is 2 pounds per stick. This is and this cotton balls one is 6 pound a bunch. Then my favorite lilies, and then this is money plant which is for 10 pounds, and also I have basil. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys loved this one. I hope the flowers really made your day, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and do give a thumbs up if you like this video and share for more. See you in my next. Bye.